With AI advancing in these days, wow, everyone giving a prompt or maybe start and frame to control their result generated by AI. For example, in latest Hexfield Studio, you can select the preset from dolly, zoom, camera movement, or maybe select a lens type to get that cinematic look. But this is not the whole thing, honestly. The great directors needs the full control of the frame and the result. For example, they need a custom movement of the camera, or they need custom movement of the object, or animating that object. So, as a 3D artist, the question is, can I use all the tools we have in 3D? For example, camera movement, camera lens, or object animation to control our result in AI. That will be interesting, honestly. So with that, let's see if we can do that or not. Hi everyone, this is Dyson. Welcome back. In this channel, we are trying to do everything in simple but yet a clever way. To create art in simple way, and we're gonna adapt new technology as well. So, the AI world is amazing and it's progressing so fast. Watch this.
I can't take this.
So you see, this is generated by AI. So that's amazing, honestly. So our vision is, instead of throwing all the 3D or traditional tools we had like Houdini, camera movement, animation, all this stuff away to get directly to AI, we have this vision to combine these two together, the traditional tools with the modern tools, the AI generated. So how we can do that? So in this video, we're gonna see if we can do that using the LTX2 open source using comfyUI.
First truly open audio video model.
It's out of this world. Check it out!
And if you're not familiar with comfyUI, of course you can watch this video or take this course, and as you can see, we did an amazing stuff with it, controlling our result with our movement as a motion capture, for example, and it will tell you step by step what is that. Before I begin, big shout out for these amazing people on our website purchasing our products, supporting us with their kindness. Thank you guys, you made my journey so delightful. Honestly, I appreciate it. So let's see what LTX2 have for us in comfyUI. So we need to get the latest comfyUI and go to template and search LTX2. As you can see, we have a couple of templates here, image to video, text to video, and etc. So now we're gonna see text to video. This is our template, very simple, it's packed and simplified for us. And you can of course have your prompt and you can say what is the audio or what is the character speaking, and you can have this result as you can see.
It's raining, I love it when it's raining.
So as you can see, it can generate a good resolution even with the low VRAM. I have 10 gig, I generated that. So now let's go to image to video. So as you can see, you can have your reference as an image here and your prompting and
Welcome to Rosie's. What can I get for you today?
honestly, I love it. So another one, it's canny to video. It will take the outline of your video as a guide. So we have depth to video. I'm interested to that. You see, this will take the depth path. So this is the template as you can see, and this is not about technical stuff. I want to see what it can do, the LTX, and this is our reference. This is our video as you can see. Yeah, very complex video, and I took the first frame and I ask ChatGPT or Nano Banana to give me a stone people, something like that. This is our target result. And as you can see, we have a couple of these nodes. We have this canny, and it can get your outliner of the video as a guide. This is the result. And after that, it will give this result to this depth generator AI model. And this is our depth pass. Yeah, not cool, but yeah, it's going to work honestly. So now you can have your prompt, and voila, this is the result. You see, you have your camera movement, you have all the movement you want, but yeah, not that good honestly. So nice, it's going to work with 3D environment, I guess. I can get him a 3D previs, for example, like this one, with this amazing artist, Fat Bufa, in Twitter, and I ask ChatGPT that's a reference, and boom, this is the result. Come on. Yeah, not as expected. Okay, let's go to another one by this amazing artist. We have this dragon and I have this reference, and now let's see the result. What the huh? What? It's good, it's taking the movement, but it's so blobby. It's not cool. What is the problem? Let me try another one. For example, I want to fix something. I asked ChatGPT to give me a simple render as this stone, and we have the first frame, the subject, it's not in the frame. So I invert this clip. As you can see, we have that, and the result is, yeah, it's better, but yeah, not quite there. So this is a problem, honestly, not as I expected. So let's go to the basic stuff. I want to try basic stuff. You can use any DCC app to create this box. I'm using Houdini, and I have this simple animation. Yeah, I want to have this basic stuff, and I added a camera in Solaris, for example, and I enabled the depth pass, the Z pass. And as you can see, this is the Z pass. And in Nuke, we have this shuffle. I promote the Z pass to RGBA. And as you can see, you can color grade that based on your need. And this is our Z pass. And then let's go to comfyUI. And as you can see, let's load our video here. So instead of calculating Z pass, I am feeding this Z pass video to control our image. Simple, right? So I asked ChatGPT to give me a render version of this box as a city, for example. City like a box. Very interesting one, honestly. So I fed that to comfyUI, and let's see the result. Boom. Nothing. Interesting. So what is the problem? So I went to Photoshop and I checked something. This is not aligned with our reference. Even I resized that and I did some adjustment. Boom, we don't have anything. We need exact alignment. So I insist, ChatGPT, please do not change the pose or structure and give me some iron, for example, old safe. This is very interesting one, right? So with that, I fed that to comfyUI, and cross finger, guys. Let's hope that will work. And I forgot, hit the like button or subscribe for more content and help this video to grow. Yeah, algorithm stuff. So now let's see the result, and boom, it's working. Yes.
Nice.
Just imagine that we have this result with our animation, skipping all this material, render stuff and everything. So I went to add a camera movement, and guess what? It's working. The problem was the alignment of the target frame. So I went to my oldest project in Cinema 4D, and as you can see, I have this Benz Mercedes, and as you can see, we have this simple animation, you see, and I render that with Arnold. Yeah, Autodesk Arnold, I loved it. So I enabled this Z pass, and as you can see, we have that as a control image, and this is very awesome. So instead of generating the target look with Nano Banana or ChatGPT, I went to Cinema 4D and I have my lighting. So this is the target image. So now I fed that to the comfyUI. This is our control video and this is our target image. So with that, let's see. And I of course give it prompt, a car rotation movement, and let him cook. So I used this technique before with Copycat in Nuke, using this video of course, and the result was not good, honestly. That's from Copycat. So let's compare it with this one. It seems our result is ready, and boom! Wow, this is amazing. Just see the reflection. It's working out of the box without rendering everything. It's taking your animation. Man, it will ruin all the render engine, honestly. That's awesome. So what about the simulation? For example, I have this simulation, simple simulation, and I have this as a target. Is that going to work? And that will be interesting, honestly. The result is interesting. So that for the next video. And if we can, CDance 2.0, it's coming to comfyUI. That's a good news. We're gonna see that in the next video if we can. So with that, stay subscribed. See you in the next one. Goodbye.